I feel like the full-time MBA at Imperial is the whole package.
It not only provides you the theoretical knowledge, but also it provides you the experiential and real-time knowledge.
I want to redefine my boundaries and explore new ideas.
I wanted to accelerate my career through a well-known MBA with a worldwide ranking.
I've been working in marketing and sales roles. I've worked across the Middle East, Asian and North American areas.
I am the director at a luxury fine jewelry diamond brand.
I've come from a technology consulting background.
For the past 5 years, I've been working in corporate finance.
I was in finance.
Up to date, I've worked in the tourism industry in Germany.
My motivations to pursue a full-time MBA program at Imperial were very clear. I wanted to be immersed in an international program, especially based in London.
I was very interested in the possibility of pursuing a business degree while also focusing on technology and innovation.
I have come to Imperial Business School with the idea of a startup, and I'm here to form my own team that's going to be my co-founder in the future.
I would like to get an experience of how international business works.
I'm thinking about pivoting industries. Caring for my grandmother really motivated me to want to improve services in healthcare and senior care.
I wanted to immerse myself in this environment and really soak everything up.
I think the major initiative I'm looking at focusing on is the Enterprise Lab. It gives you an opportunity to access real-life, real-world entrepreneurial opportunities.
I'm very interested in the Imperial Innovation Challenge.
I will get to work directly with the Imperial scientists and applying the commercial aspects to their technology and health tech discoveries.
I'm most looking forward to the Global Experience Week. We will be able to make lasting memories that will unify the cohort.
You are taken to a different country to learn the local opportunities and the business there.
It's going to be really refreshing and exciting to kind of apply what we've learned in the classroom in a real-life situation.
Thanks to the MBA program, I hope to achieve a career transition in a global finance company.
I have my own business, so I plan to potentially expand that to the UK.
I want to be an impactful leader.
And hopefully make this world a better place.